Allen, the mastermind behind getting things done, didn't start out as a productivity guru. Before revolutionizing the way we organize our lives, he worked as a magician, a karate teacher, and even managed a gas station. His GTD, or Getting Things Done method, was born out of necessity after years of experimenting with different ways to get and stay organized. He developed a system that reduces stress by getting everything out of your head and into a trusted system. And as Alan famously says in Getting Things Done, your mind is for having ideas, not holding them.
David Allen wrote the book Getting Things Done, and that was a big game changer for me, his methodology. And he talks about he writing down everything in your mind, doing a brain dump, because you want to have stress-free productivity. So if you're spinning um, in your mind and like all the things you have to do, that takes a lot of brain space. So one of the main things he says is to just write everything down, and you have to have a system where you know it's not going to get lost, right? Um so he's agnostic about, software or analog or just paper, but the point is you have to have everything written down, and then a method for reviewing all those lists. He divides things into next action, and he also talks about next actions. Don't write down, birthday party. Write down, reserve room for birthday party, so you actually know what you're supposed to do next. Um, and I mean, I could go on and on about David Allen and his methodology.